Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Momo Moto. You can see here today I have very innovative box with me. It is AVITA laptop. You can see the pricing and details are written over here. You can see the rate is 52,990 rupees, but you will get it around 27 to 33,000 rupees on Flipkart in different kind of sales. So let's follow the unboxing now. You can see this is the packaging. I'll say it's not very good, it's just average packaging, and you can see this is the content what you are getting inside this box. So first thing you can see is this bag. The good thing about this laptop that it is also providing you a bag with it. And the second thing is this laptop main unit itself, and nothing else. This one more box is here. You can see in this you are getting this charging brick, which is of 35 watt normal charger. This is dock, and I'll give you overview of the main unit later on. Just have a look on this bag first. Back quality is above average. You can see AVITA branding is on this strap as well. Cushioning is very hard. You can see your laptop will be very safe in this box, and this is additional strap you're getting with it. So this is overview of, you can plug it on your luggage bag as well. This is one pocket over here. This is for your external hard drive, and one more pocket at the very top. You can see this, you can put your documents over here. Now I'm just going to give you an overview of this main unit AVITA PURA Ryzen 5. So you can see some of the specifications like HDMI, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi is just written over here, and join AVITA Club for extended warranty. This is written. Packaging is very nice of this main unit particularly, and yes, now just have a look on this AVITA PURA laptop. In packaging department has done great job. Most of the people and YouTubers have said that build quality of this laptop is not very good, so I'll give you overview of the build quality as well. So you can see these are the documentation you are getting with it. PURA branding is over here. So this is the main unit. Because you can see this is the laptop itself. Overall, I'll say in first impression, build quality seems to be very nice to me, especially to me. The plastics are not very bad, even not very good as well. And you can see this is the air vent, and these four supports are there. 2 speakers, some specifications written at the back. At this side you can see 3.1 mm this jack, 3.5 mm jack, and SD card support. At this side HDMI cable, again one USB 3.1. this is charging dock, type C cable, and if you can see clearly it is LED indicator. This is hinge, nothing else. At the front there's nothing else. And now just you see this is additional. I hope there will be no battery in this laptop, just because it is coming from Flipkart. So you can see the Ryzen 5 branding is written over here. HDMI highlight is there, so it supports HDMI. I know that it will not have battery just because it is not allowed to ship laptop with full battery in this courier. So I'll give you the review of this laptop after using it 4 to 5 days. What are the pros and cons? So please do subscribe to my channel for next video on this particular laptop. That will be a detailed review of this AVITA PURA. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for all the latest upcoming videos of this particular laptop and latest technical gadgets as well. So thanks for watching the video. Signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.